Namaste. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making Italian macaroni pasta. To reduce the time, take 2 separate pans. Take 3 tomatoes. On each tomato, mark X and join those lines and close the lid. And in another pan, we have taken 2 cups of macaroni. Add 1 tablespoon of salt for taste and 1 tablespoon of oil and mix well. The main purpose of adding oil is the macaroni will not stick to one another. After 5 to 10 minutes, take one macaroni and check whether it is boiled or not, as shown in the video. Keep both the pans aside and in separate pan add 2 tablespoons of oil and few garlic cloves and 5 to 6 chilies as per your taste, 1 medium size chopped onion and salute well. Peel all those boiled tomatoes and add it to a mixer jar. If the tomatoes are hot, wait for 5 to 10 minutes. If you are having a busy schedule, dip those tomatoes in a cold water and remove it. Then only you have to continue the process. Use a mixer when tomatoes are hot. Add it to a pan and mix well. Now add all the boiled macaroni and mix well. If required, add salt again as per your taste. Add chili flakes, or even you can take 4 to 5 red chilies and smash it over the macaroni. Following information is just for knowledge purpose. You can skip for 20 seconds if not interested. This is basil plant. The Italian people use this to garnish their food, which is similar to Indian plant tulsi. Tulsi is also called as holy basil. Okay, let's go back to cooking. We have used coriander leaves for garnishing, but Italian people use basil here. Add 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of ginger powder. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder and mix well. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for regular updates. You can use cheese or grated cheese. This is optional. You can even skip this step if you don't have any cheese or grated cheese in your home. Mix well and it is ready to serve. Enjoy it and don't forget to share your experience in my comment section. Thanks for watching.